Today, I would like to talk to you about something that affects both men and women, but often in different ways. It is a topic that is often stigmatized, but one that is important to address. And that topic is crying. For women, crying is often seen as acceptable way to express emotions. It is a way to show vulnerability, it is a way to connect with others. However, women also may feel pressure to hide their tears, in certain situations, maybe at work or maybe at public places. But for men, on the other hand, crying is often seen as a sign of weakness or lack of masculinity. Men are taught to hide their emotions and be strong so that they can endure pain or hardship without showing their feelings or complaining that. Which in turn lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness and a lot of emotions which are held back, which are not expressed, not used, not released, which sometimes can lead to some mental disorders as well, and can lead to suicide as well. While doing some research or study about the subject, I got some shocking revelations that the suicide ratio between men and women is 75% to 25%. Is it due to the paradigm or expectation from men? Which is like, as per society taboo, it is not acceptable for men to cry. The figures which I shared are from India. The world averages are also not very different. It is quite similar. But the truth is, crying is a human nature, natural human response to a range of emotions, regardless of gender. It can be a way to express, express yourself or release anxiety, release stress, maybe physical pain as well. Now, is it okay to cry? Absolutely. It's okay for women to cry, to express their emotions openly, and it is okay for men also to cry and show vulnerability. If men don't cry, then that can lead to negative consequences such as increased stress, increased anxiety, increased depression. By allowing themselves to cry and express their emotions, men can release these pent-up feelings, which takes care of the mental health. But even though we know that crying is normal and healthy, it can still be hard to let our guard down and allow ourselves to cry in front of others. We might worry about being judged or feel like we are burdening others with our emotions. If it sounds like you, I want you to know that it is okay to be vulnerable. It is okay to reach out to someone whom you trust, with whom you can share your feelings. And it is okay to cry in front of them, or maybe by yourself, if that is what you need. So the next time you feel like crying, I want you to remember this. It is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that you are human. It is a sign to be healthy and that you are taking care of yourself. Not about your physical need, but your mental needs as well. Be vulnerable. No problem in that. Thank you for watching. If this message resonates with you, please share it with somebody who might need to hear it. And remember, it is always okay to cry, no matter what the gender is. Thank you very much. This is Ajay signing off for today. Namaste.